back in 1991, when I first saw a preview of this game in, I think it was not Games Machine, it was Mean Machines. I went along to a shop in Edinburgh and I saw this game running, and suffice to say, it absolutely blew my mind. At that point, I had a Commodore Amiga. Now the Amiga was, and indeed still is, a really impressive machine, but I had never seen a game run as smooth and as fast as I had until I seen this game. It was just absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, it just took home experience to a completely different level. Now, I'm not a fan of this game. I've hardly played it, but from a technical aspect, even now, it just looks absolutely astonishing. So yeah, if you can imagine how impressive this was in 1991, I'm going to show you something which has just come out today, which is the 19th of December 2021. And this is Sonic the Hedgehog on the Commodore 64. Even that. One thing you need to be aware of, guys, this requires 256k of memory, which you need to do in an emulator, so I don't think this runs on real hardware, but it's still damned impressive. Now, I've never loaded this, so this is the first time I have actually seen the game. I'm laughing because this is just absolutely insane. This is not a Master System, it's not a Mega Drive, it is a Commodore 64. I mean, it's a computer that had games like this. And this. Why am I doing that? Why am I doing that? I don't know why I'm jumping. I don't know why I'm forgetting it's not Mario we're playing here. Right, there's one bit. You know, actually, when I play, when I load any emulator, whether it's a handheld or whatever, this is always the game I load, just to kind of see how smooth it plays. And now I don't know how faithful this is, level wise, to the original. How would you get up there? This game just would not have been deemed possible. Yeah, they've taken some slight kind of shortcuts. You've not got the kind of chain thing there, but this is an astonishingly amazing game. And you know what? I'm more likely to actually play this than the original. I mean, it's even got the music. Now, how do you do the whatever it is? Yes, I'm sure that it does that in the original. You pull down twice and it kind of scrolls. Ah, there we go. I don't know how I managed that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just kind of try and... Oh, bollocks. I'm going to try and... I really am. I'm lost for words at how impressive this game is. Like I said, I'm not a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog, but the original blew my mind, and we're now running this on a system which came out, I don't know, 15 years before the Mega Drive. What I want to try and do is just take my time and get through it slowly, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and, oh bollocks, I'm then going to do what I normally do and just try and get through the level as fast as we possibly can. Damn it. How many rings have I got? Absolutely none. Now believe in this game, as long as you've always got at least one ring, then you're not going to die. Now I did, somebody in my Discord channel made a comment when somebody linked to this, and he said why, and the reply was because they can. And that's exactly what makes games like this. What is that? Ah, right, okay, right, they've taken away, there's the bit where it goes 100 miles an hour, they've taken that bit away. So what they have done is, they've cut it back slightly, but trust me, this is one impressive conversion. Ah, right, okay. Who would have thought you've ever seen Sonic the Hedgehog on a Commodore 64? Right, listen, on that bombshell, guys, I'm going to get going. You can download this game completely for free. I'll stick the link as to where I got it from. Yeah, you know what? This game just goes to prove there is still life in these old computers, even 40 years on. Absolutely mental. Massive, massive kudos to everybody involved in this project. You know, incredible. Anyway, guys, as always, thank you very much for watching.